All right, check it out. We only have 4 more rows to go. Awesome. Okay, let's do our first one together. 2 times 7 equals, do you know it? You can pause if you need to and think about it. Yeah, 14. Okay, find the next problem with your fingers. 3 times 7. And what does it equal? Pause if you need to. Did you say 21? Nice. Okay, do the next one by yourself. And did you say 4 times 7 equals 28? Excellent. Okay, friends, now it's time for you to finish this by yourself. And as always, we're going to use the control chart to check. All right, when you're done, of course. All right, see you next time.